54.9 on the term lab. 54.9 on the term lab. In the kick panel. EAS, Colorado Springs. That is fun, isn't it?
It's a lot of fun.
Hertz. Very nice. You don't mind being on YouTube, do you? What's your name, man?
Cameron.
Cameron?
Hop in.
Cameron, what's the LADs, man? I never heard of those.
Don't worry about that. They're
Custom build 18s. 15,000 watt Hertz amp. All right, let's see it, man. Hey, can you come here a second? Yeah. All right, give us a second. Give us a second. Not yet, not yet. All right, man. Hit us with it.
Can I plug my ear?
Yeah, you can, of course.
It's not too loud.
It hurts my heart.
That's good to know. That means it could save your life someday. If you're having a heart attack, just don't keep the aftermath. That's what you call a good hair day. Very nice, sir. Very nice.